Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh wow, it's been a minute. Guys. I am so sorry. I'm sorry guys. I've been busy with something, but I'm back. I'm finally back. As you guys can see and tell by the title of this video, today we'll be doing a Smokey eye tutorial together. Before we start, I just want to thank you guys for the love and support you've been giving me. Thank you guys, thank you very much. I am so happy we finally reached 50 subscribers. Wow, I am so excited guys. Thank you very much. Thank you guys, I appreciate the love, and please continue supporting me. I'm sure by now we're on the road to 100 subscribers. I'm sure, I believe in you guys that you can do that, right? Please continue share the videos. Tell your friends, your mom, your dad, your sister, brother, your aunt, your niece to go and support my channel and press the subscribe button so that you can reach 100 subscribers. Thank you guys for the support. I love you. So yeah, please keep on watching and please watch the full video. If you are new in here, please just click the subscribe button and join the family. So let's get into the video. As you can see, I already done my eyebrows. I think I have to do an update of eyebrow tutorial, right? Just comment down below if you want me to do an eyebrow. And another thing guys, please comment down below what you want to see next. Let's get into it. First step, so I'm gonna go in with the concealer as a base so that the shadow can appear clear and make the job easy for me to apply my shadow. And I'm just gonna pat that in with my finger and then just go tap it on my eye like this. Is my transition shade. So guys, let me tell you a story about this. This palette of mine. You can see it's old and it's broken, and it's some kind of Chinese palette. So let me tell you, long story short, about this palette. So I got this from my grandma years ago. I don't know where did she take this, but I went home for holidays as Lalini. So I was cleaning this other day, cleaning, and I found this on the wardrobe. And then I was like, Mama, are you using makeup? And then she was like, I kept that for you. I was like, oh, thank you, Mama. So I got this guys from my grandma. And that time I didn't even know that I'm gonna do makeup one day. So I like this very much, especially these two shades. It's brown and dark brown. I love to use this shade as my transition shade. Today I'm gonna go with the brown. One trick about smoky eye, you just have to blend. So the next step, I'm gonna go in with this shade on the same palette. I'm just gonna apply it and blend it with the brown transition. And remember, your smoky eye is all about blending guys, so you have to blend. Next step, I'm just gonna take my jumbo eyeliner pencil. Brush to blend it. The shade black. Small clean brush so that I can blend it nicely. Gonna take my baby wipes and clean my under eyes so that I can go to my face. Okay guys, so I'll just do my face very quickly and then show you the final look and go finish up my eyes and show you the final look. eye. So I'm just gonna put in eyeliner and then in mascara. I'm not gonna go with falsies today. I'm just gonna use my mascara. watching. This is my final look. If you enjoyed this video, please leave the thumbs up. I hope you like it. By the way, I didn't go with false lashes today. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave the thumbs up. See you guys in the next video. Bye.